Geometry, Chapter 1, Section 6. This is example 1. Our goal here is to name the polygon by its number of sides, then classify it as convex or concave, and classify it as regular or irregular. All right, so this has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. There are 4 sides. So a four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. Okay, so we've got a quadrilateral. Is it convex or concave? Now, if we go back to our convex concave, does it have a cave? Does it have some place where the lines come back into the shape? Well, nope, they all stick out, so this would be considered convex. And the last part, regular or irregular. Regular means all the sides are the same length. And you can tell by looking at this, these definitely do not have the same length sides, so this is irregular. Irregular. So it is a quadrilateral, it is convex, and it is irregular. Those are the 3 answers that you're going to need for this one. Let's look at another shape. Okay, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 9-sided figure is called a nonagon. And if you needed to look that up, remember we have this one back here, a nonagon. You could look it up there. I think I had it here. Here's a 9-sided figure, a nonagon. Okay, so you've got a couple places you can look that up in the video here, or you could be using your book. So 9-sided figure, nonagon. Is it convex or concave? Well, this definitely comes back in towards the shape. It makes a cave right here. This is a little cave, and here's another cave. So this is concave. And then is it regular or irregular? Well, are all the sides the same length? What do these tick marks mean? Well, the tick marks, if there's one tick mark, those sides are the same length. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides of the same length. But then these other sides are not the same length as these first 5. These 2 are the same length as each other, and so are these, but they're not all exactly the same length. So this is still irregular. So a nonagon, concave, and irregular. Okay, how about this one? You should know this one. This one is a triangle. And is it concave or convex? Well, it's definitely convex. There are no caves involved. And then is it regular or irregular? Are all the sides the same length? They all have 1 tick mark on them, so they are all the same length, so this is regular. So it's a convex regular triangle. And let's have one more here. This one's going to be check yourself on this. So take a moment, write down what you think this is called, and then we'll be back in a second. Okay, coming back. This has 4 sides. 4 sides, remember, are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. And then is it convex or concave? This is definitely going to be convex. There are no caves involved here. Convex. And then regular or irregular. This one's kind of tricky. All the sides are the same length, but the other part of regular is all the angles have to be the same measure also. And this angle here is definitely acute, and that angle up there is definitely obtuse. So this is still irregular, even though all the sides are the same length, because the angles are not the same.